friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I am here today to reveal my 2023 quarterly kit club. These have been really fun to do the past 2 years, and there was a desire for another one. So this year we're going to use Simple Stories, Life Captured. This is such a fresh, fun collection. And we're going to build a series of monthly folios. Each quarter we'll do 3 months. And in this first quarter, we're going to do January. Aren't these fun? We've got these great new textured cardstocks that are color coordinated. And then I pulled in some other papers from Simple Stories to kind of add in to the volume of the creation. So we're going to do January, February. We've got the 6x8 papers, which are so cute and go really well. Everything is coordinated beautifully. I think you're going to really have fun with this. And then here's our extra papers, and then March. So that is what we are doing this quarter. That's January, February, March. This first quarter will release this month in November, and then the next one will be February, and then May, and then the final one will be August. So each quarter will do 3 months. Look how cute these are. I've got a really fun idea, and the exciting thing is when we get to the end of the year this time, we're going to build a fantastic box to house all these folios. So you're going to get the whole 12x12 paper set that comes with the sticker sheet, and it'll be broken up so you don't have a bunch of stuff to store, and so you have something to look forward to every quarter. And then every quarter, Laura and I are going to curate, let me move this out of the way, a bunch of really fun embellishments. So this month we've got these great little Heidi Swap Polaroid frames. These are going to be super cute. We've got some bright and colorful tags. We've got a bunch of really fun trims. We've got some great twine, which y'all know how much I love twine. We've got some fun wooden buttons. We've got this great pack of super cool gold paper clips. Can you see those? They're shaped like pennants. We've got a wonderful antique key, and some of these embellishments will vary from kit to kit, but you'll get the same amount of things. Some charms, and then some photo tabs. So these come from the ephemera pack. And each quarter you'll get a whole new kit with all new surprise goodies in it. Oh yeah, and then a whole bunch of flowers. So I just wanted to give you a preview of what is coming so you know what to expect. I've got a really fun design in my head. I'm going to transfer it to paper. And I hope you'll join me for the journey in 2023. It's going to be lots of fun. All right, signing off for the Button Farm Club. This is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Go get your craft on. Bye.